everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxy charms. So if you guys want to see what I got, then make sure you guys stay tuned. But before we get started, please make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below for me, and make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so you know I give the whole spiel in the beginning of all my BoxyCharm videos, but if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a $21 monthly subscription makeup service that you get every single month. It is full-size product that can range $100 or more in value, which is like, why not? And yeah, or you can also sign up for every 3 months. You can upgrade to Boxy Luxe, which is an additional $21. So all in all, ends up being like 50 bucks a month for 3 months. So I do believe you get Boxy Luxe in December. Next one will be March, June, and September, I do believe, because it's like every 3 months. So it's 4 times a year. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So this month's box theme is called 'Tis the Sea Sun, which is like awesome because why not? Everyone wants to be close to a beach if you live like up north where there's like a crap ton of snow. So yeah, I am just gonna keep this out in front of me. I will also have a like value chart over here so that you guys can see the value of my Boxy Luxe box. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so first thing that I received in my box is I did get a ceramic mini styling tool. Oh, that's really, really cool because I actually think I might need a new straightener anyway. So that was actually really, really cool. And it's by PYT. So this straightener retails for $75. That's insane. All right. And I do believe these all came in like different colors. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. So it's like literally like a mini straightener. And it does have like lifted plates, if you guys can see that. So it's definitely not gonna catch like your hair at all. So it's a 1/2 inch ceramic straightener. And it does go up to 400 degrees, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that. All right, next thing I received is this clutch that says Glam AF. This is Crimes of Beauty wristlet and a portable charger. Ooh. Oh, that is so cute. All right, so I'm assuming that is the portable charger. But I mean, I have an iPhone, which I'm hoping there's an iPhone. Oh, and there is. Oh, that makes me so excited. Yo, this is like so light and oh my goodness. Super, super excited. But yeah, comes with a battery charger. And inside there is like pockets in here, so I honestly might just keep my wallet in this. But yeah, super cute, and it's from Crimes of Beauty, and this retails for $22, which makes sense because there was a battery warning label on the box, and I was just like All right, and then we also did get a limited warranty on the hair straightener, which is awesome. All right, next thing I see in here is from Wander Beauty. I literally love Wander Beauty. I want to say it was the September box, I think, that we ended up getting the gold eye masks, which I still have one left. because I really want to get more. But yeah, we received these gold eye masks, which work wonders, and absolutely love them. But yeah, we ended up getting the Wander Beauty Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette, which I'm super excited to see this. This palette retails for $26. Oh man, oh my gosh, the blushes are so pretty. So I'm assuming 2 blushes and a highlight right here. Oh man, super excited, super pretty. Oh my goodness. So Wander Beauty is formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances. So that's really cool, especially for people who do have sensitive skin. All right, layer number 1 completed. All right, next thing I see in here. Ooh, that smells so good. So next thing we got was a Spongelay Blossom Bliss. This is a body wash infused buffer. So it looks just like this. It is multi-use, so that's really cool. It's a body wash and buffer. It is dermatologist tested. It's formulated with extracts of yuzu. I'm not even going to try and pronounce those. To soften and cleanse and moisturize. It says with built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. And it smells so nice. This bad boy retails for $20. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Is it like a sponge? I'm going to assume it's like a sponge. Yeah, it's like a little star. All-in-one treatment. So yeah, I'm just gonna assume that it's like a sponge. So yeah, that bad boy retails for $20. Next thing I see in here is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint, and I got it in the shade Flamin' Hot, which I do believe this one is the pink one, because I've seen it at Ulta. Yes, it is. So it's like this berry color. This one retails for $20 as well. Oh my god, I love the smell of Tarte. But yeah, it's just like a holographic like lip paint, like so cool. Love Tarte. Right, so that one retails for $20. And I totally used to have tissues, but apparently I need to go get some. Okay. Alright, next thing I see in here, oh my gosh, it's an anti-aging cream. Oh my gosh, I totally need one of this. We have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines and wrinkles. And it says, clinically proven, the powerful anti-aging ingredients have been shown to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve skin firmness, tone, and hydration in 14 days. So that's what this looks like. And this bad boy retails for $89. Oh my gosh. $89. Like, we're already like more than like what I paid for the box. But so that's what it looks like. It looks so, oh my gosh, so like luxurious. Like, ooh, and it does smell really good too. Oh yeah, it looks just like that. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared to like even use this. I'm just like, oh, it looks so like luxurious. I'm honestly probably just gonna use it as like an under eye eye cream just because I am starting to get, what is it, like crow's feet, I guess. But yeah, I'm super excited about that. $89 for anti-aging. Oh man. Okay, next thing I see in here, and I have honestly wanted to buy this palette since I saw it on Instagram. So this is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, and this is the Holy Grail eyeshadow palette. So I feel like there's, let's see if I can open it here. Where did my scissors go? Oh my goodness. But yeah, just like the hair straightener alone and that eye cream, it's practically more than what I paid for in the box. So this eyeshadow palette retails for $45. Apparently she doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go. Love, love, love. So pretty. Oh my goodness, this palette is so pretty, guys. Like, can we just take a moment here? Like, look at all of the colors, like the warm tones. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Ah, so pretty. Love it. So yeah, that palette retails for $45. Next thing I see in here is the Lorac Los Angeles Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. Let's see how much this bad boy is. So this mascara retails for $24. So it's the same price as the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It says, so it's a blue tinted primer, making the perfect base to achieve the darkest lashes while nourishing and lengthening at the same time. Oh, okay, Lorac. And I really love like rubber bristle mascaras. Let's go ahead and check out this mascara wand here. Oh yes, like, oh my. Yo, I'm excited to try this mascara. Hopefully it becomes one of my holy grails here. All right, and last thing I do see in this box is this bad boy right here. So this is the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, and this retails for $65. So in this set, we are getting the Luxie 532 Round Top Blender, the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. Oh my gosh, I love a new highlighting brush. We are getting the Luxie 680 Pro Precision, the 229 Tapered Blending Blush, the 213 Eye Shading, 221 Flat Definer, 201 Brow and Lash Spoolie, and the 160 Lip Brush. And again, BoxyCharm always going with animal cruelty free products, which makes me so happy. Oh my gosh. So I want to say it was 2 months ago. No, it was last month. Yes, because it was the Gold Digger. We ended up getting the Luxie brushes, which are these guys. I do believe they're like the mini ice set. So yes, we ended up getting these brushes last month and I absolutely love them. Like, they are so soft and so easy to blend when it comes to eyeshadows. But yeah, these are like their mini eye sets, which are like perfect for like doing like detail work. And yeah, I'm just super stoked that we got more brushes, because I mean, you can't go wrong with more brushes. But yeah, I'm so excited. I really want to try these out. And so far, I really love the Luxie brushes because of how soft they really are. But look how gorgeous these guys look. Like, oh, so pretty. Oh, they even came with like a cute little like stand. So cute. Right, so this is the Luxie 221 flat definer brush. Oh my gosh, that would be like perfect for like really getting in there and doing like some definition here. This next one is a tapered blending brush. I want to say this is really similar to the, yeah, I want to say it's really similar to the Morphe M518 brush. Just a little bit smaller, but definitely has that same shape. Of course, we got a spoolie, which I mean, hey, you could always use a spoolie, especially like if you get mascara, which I could show you guys. I got mascara on my lid here. You literally, as soon as it dries off, you can take a spoolie and it just buffs right off. It doesn't smear, doesn't do anything. So quick little tip there for you guys. This one is the eye shading brush, which I could always use more. I'm assuming this is the retractable lip pencil here. Yes, it is. Oh man, so cool. So yeah, this is the Luxie 160 lip brush. I don't really use lip brushes. I typically use these brushes to cut the crease, just because I have no issue doing anything like that. This one is, oh my god, this would be perfect for foundation. This is the Luxie Pro Precision Face Brush, and it kind of is like at like an angle, if you guys can see that. Like, oh, we got some shedding going on here. Oh my god, like perfect. All right, and this is the highlighting brush. Definitely got some shedding going on here. I'll probably just have to trim that, but like, oh my god, these brushes feel like so luxurious, guys. And this one is the round top kabuki blender, which would be perfect for foundation as well. Like, oh my gosh, guys, I love it. I love it. But yeah, so that was this month's box. Yeah, I'm just gonna literally add up all the totals here. This month's box came out to be $386 value, and I paid 50 bucks. So yeah, if that really doesn't say it enough for you guys to join BoxyCharm, I mean, come on. But yeah, so that's literally what I received in my BoxyCharm. I am super excited to try all of these new products, especially the brushes and the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.